In the wake of US Supreme Court's decision on tariffs, US President Donald Trump said there is no change in the trade deal with India and emphasized that the India deal is on. He said that his relationship with India is fantastic and they are doing trade deal with India. President Trump said this at a news conference last night in the White House hours after US Supreme Court verdict striking down his sweeping tariffs. Earlier this month, Trump issued an executive order removing the 25% punitive tariff imposed on India. Under the trade deal, Washington will charge a reduced tariff on New Delhi, lowering it from 25% to 18%. Meanwhile, a White House official has clarified that the tariff on India will drop to 10% temporarily following US President Donald Trump's announcement of a new global tariff. The new tariff will replace the earlier International Emergency Economic Power Act based duties that were struck down by the Supreme Court of the US. The clarification by the US indicates that the newly announced 10% global tariff under Section 122 is not the additional provision imposed under IEEPA tariff on India, but replaced them for now on. The White House response confirms that at least temporarily, the applicable rate for India would fall to 10% under the new Section 122 authority. The current adjustment reflects both legal constraints imposed by the US court and the administration's stated intent to continue pursuing through alternative statutory mechanism. The report News Now.